Welcome to Adora Oud. Today's layering duo is Black Python by Aurora and Black Stone by us at Adora Oud. The thing is that yesterday a customer came to me and asked for the most opium fragrance we had. So I was thinking and I was like, I don't really know if we have something like that, but I put these two together and I was thinking this has to be phenomenal. Like if you want, you could buy one of these. But no, after they left, I was like, yo, what if they layered them both? So that's what we're gonna try out today. All right, so this did not come out how I expected it. Black Stone is a very warm, smooth, polished black scent, whereas Black Python is a dark, crispy, powdery, and almost like cooling black. It was really dark fragrance. It was very, very, I guess, opium, but the crispy, powdery part of Black Python was conflicting with the polished, smooth, glossy black from Black Stone. Overall, I'd still wear it. It turned out really nice, beautiful scent, but to each their own.